Hi guys, today I am playing Dandy's World. Yay! Anyways, ooh. Wait, will it bring us to a run or are we doing? Why were they trying to come over here? You know, it's okay. I'm trying to get a mastery on Yada. I have. I am not distracting. Ooh, I should have got some walk speed stuff. Why did I not think of that? I'm getting stealth candy. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left. To the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick. Oh yeah, she has B-mode. Ha 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 ha. Let me leave this for Connie. Connie. No, I probably should have said that. Connie's going. Wow, Connie, you literally made me not do that machine. Work like a. Nah, work. Watch her go in it. But does y'all don't know where I am? I did not mean to do that. Yada kept following me, so I was like, what? Yeah. Spell candy. Dandy, Randy. Well, someone in. I really cannot read the font. I'm sorry. What? Oh, that's why people keep saying Big D Randy. I thought D was his middle name. Like, not the word, but the letter. Orangey, orangey, orange, 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 orange. Someone in my Xbox. Oh yeah, I forgot I spill out candy. I did not mean. How's my inventory? Oh yeah, stealth. Boom. Nah. I'm sorry. Go on with your day. Come on. Come on. You could do it. You could do it. Astro's getting haunted this early. Yeah. Work. Protein bar looking mighty fine today. I feel like going on to YT while watching this. I'm bored. Making beats for someone really gnarly. Don't yap to me. I'm gnarly. You're not. She is. I'm gonna say bomb. Buy this blah blah. Buy this rainbow flower. Bomb. I'm saying there's a smoke bomb. Anyway. Thank you. These twisted, so I'm trying to match shadow speed. So I could just sneak attack. Ooh, she's over there working. Nice try. I feel like singing Golden. Oh, I probably will get a copy. Big check for my neighbor. Big check for my neighbor. Mirror. Blah 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 blah. Mirror on the wall. Mirror on the phone. Who's the baddest? Us. Hello. Like you are la 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 la. This song that I like. I'm gonna show you. How it's done. Where's the last machine? I am so lost. Just pretend you're out of stamina and you have to walk to find that machine. Unless you don't want to walk to find the machine. Trying to get used to Yada. Ooh. GTE. It's gonna be extraction. I can't. Yes. My body is me. Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? Get to the elevator. No. My body is me. If that's okay. If that's okay. Is that okay? My body is tea. My body is tea. She says, I don't have any. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Strawberry shark cookie? Is that you? Tootsie. Tootsie Roll. I've never seen this map. I've never seen this map. Probably a new one. That's why she didn't do the summer update. Well, this map, I like it. It's really good for distracting places. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Fit check for my napalm era. What's a napalm era? I'm concerned. Tootsie. By the power of Tootsie Rolls. I like being Yada now. D&D plush markable? D&D plush. They rated a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, Toodles is still staring at us. So Breed! Come on. How do I already have 100 tapes? Thank you. Dandy, I am so grateful. Thank you. Don't worry, I'll be back. Bye-bye. I hope your bed is warm. I mean, your pillow is cold. Don't make me regret it, Dandy. Don't make me use a hair dryer on max heat. Okay, Dandy. Fit check for my napalm era. Ooh, Poppy. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the baddest? Us. Hello. Knock you out like a lol. Okay. There's gonna be a machine around here somewhere. Oh, it's done. Bro, where's my skill check at? She's catching up. Where's my skill check at? There we go. Oh wow, we almost finished that though. I have enough for a band-aid now. I'm gonna go looking for I'm gonna show you how it's done. Fit check for my napalm era. Fit check for my napalm era. Fit check for my napalm era. If she has to go, I'm gonna start crying. As soon as I hear the oh, she gotta go. Yes. I'm gonna get Pebble. I have like 32? I don't know. I don't know how much research I have on Pebble. I'm gonna be the first, you know, the first since she has emote. I'm gonna be the first one to finish this machine. I'm gonna think of it, everybody, you know. Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? My name is Candy Apple Cookie. I'm going to fool that fairy once and for all. Please wish me luck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's Dandy and Astra. No one told me to GTE. Now I gotta run. I'm not fit to be a distractor. I'm just Ayada. No! Game over. Game. So, to be honest, I don't know what to do. I'm just a candy apple cookie playing Dandy's World. Nothing much. Is that Icor? What has she been getting? We have Brightney. She's gonna V-mode it. Yep. Why would you V-mode the closest machine? Where did I do that? Tisha, move out of the way. Move out of the way. There's nothing for you to sleep except the smoke bomb, I guess. Something's wrong with my eye. Where's my glasses? My glasses are downstairs. I don't think this happens to everyone, but you know how you like when there's like this black dot blocking your part of your eyesight. I don't know if that's just me. Might be. Or it's just because I'm straining my eyes right now because of the brightness of the screen. Ugh. Brightney messed up my plan. I will literally be setting a trap in your house tonight, Brightney. That's how much you PMO. I got the skibbity cookie. Tisha, turn around. It will be the end of your life forever and ever. Amen. I forgot to type GTE. What? Thank you. Brittany. How do I already have so many tapes? Ooh. Why are we moving in union? I'm just gonna talk in my real voice now. I don't want people confusing me for someone I am not. And again, she did the closest machine. Is she gonna do it? Okay, no, maybe not. Toodles. Shite. Yup, Toodles, Louie, and I have no idea who else. Probably just Pebble. Is that a book? I want to pick it up. Ooh. Toodles. Tiddles. Tiddles. Louie, you're not helping. Louie, you're not helping. You're just adding to the problem. I just said I was gonna stop using this voice because I don't want people to mistake me as the voice actor. So I'm just gonna stop. Shite. No. Don't go near her. Why didn't I think about my stamina? Get away from me! Get away! See, this is what happens if you do not think about yourself before others. You gotta treat yourself the way that you treat others, you know? Like bubble tea. No, okay, I gotta stop with that. Stamina goodie? Chocolates. All are just pure chocolate. I don't. Okay. Okay. Is she leaving now? GTE, okay. I was about to say, like, did she say got to go? No, she definitely did not pull a got to go on me. Oh, she could pick it up. It's good. Dandy. Yes. So it's kind of like a Vimo, but she can use a Vimo on every floor. I could only use it once. We have not gotten a main. This is gonna change now. We are gonna get a main this floor. What happens if I blow the air horn? Then that would just be a waste of air horns. Spoxton and Louie. It's Boxton and Lulu. Delulu. It's Lulu the Delulu. Who the heck is munching? What? Whoa. Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? Rah. That phone confuses me so much. Boxton, I don't want to hear about, nothing. Okay? What? How much box of chocolates does she have? To be zooming like that? Probably like her whole inventory. Louie, go in there. Oh. Gotta hide. Gotta hide. Gotta hide. Ooh. Should I do last? Say. You wanna do last? This is the best duo run I've ever been on. Okay. Ah. She said no. Run! Run, get it, run. Stamina. Small. I wanted to spark plug, but we gotta get a main now. Main? Okay. But we gotta get a main R&D. Ooh, that'll be hard to distract with R&D around. That was a fun little girl pinata acrobat. She's always there for two. Blind Louie. That art is so cute. To give it a 3. Come on. 1 axe to perform. Da, 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 da. I want to steal that so bad, but I'm feeling nice today. Why is R&D up over there? Look like an angel. Can I show you something? Razzle and dazzle. Run through Randy. That was unwise. Is he still up? And I got Louis research. And I already have R&D. Shouldn't be complaining. I cannot run. Yada comes near. Dang it. Ban. Ban! Now a pop. Menu display, yes. I Astro. Oh my gosh. Astro, thank you for spawning. Thank you for giving me your research. Oh, my Pookie Bear, who stole my soul gem after. Enjoy. Goodness and good. Oh, that's so cute. Why are they eating Pebble? Astro's coming here. Never mind. Oh, I hate texting. A bok. Looking for Astro. Bye. I'm collecting all the capsules before I go. Discover fun with Shelly. Okay, I don't think anyone would want to discover fun with Shelly. I literally have no idea where Shelly, Astro is. Bro, where are the capsules at? I've been here before. Ooh, this is gonna be. Dear Astro, why do you not have hands? Dang. And that's how he became a twisted, guys. The end. That's where my box of chocolate is. I kind of want to finish this floor, but at the same time not want to finish it. Astro! Hey, Astro. They're kind of sandwiching me. Okay, yeah, go to Yada for some reason. No, where the machine is. Astro, this is why a kid asked you if you have no arms. Why did he go straight for the machine? And why is he coming over here? Okay, is it? My body is leaning. How do I go in here? I just realized I have 10 machines to do, not 4. Why are you laughing like that? I did nothing to you. You're like, how absolutely dare you, Astro? I dare you to step up to me again. I won't be intimidated. Anyways, so if you have a look, so can one very, very nice, immaculate person help me with mastery for Yada? I just need to survive 3 floors with Louie. So, if you guys want to help me, then, please reach out in the comments below. Thank you. Yo, Astro. I've been seen by Astro. I have been seen by him before. Just haven't been seen by him this round. Bro, no one's coming for you. No one's gonna help you. Why is there's random stuff in the walls? Ooh. Bro, stop laughing. It's not funny. I kind of want to die to Astro, but I want to get hit by Astro. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Astro. Astro. Hit me. Thank you. Should have been paying attention. I will not die. Wait for me! Well, that went super well. Yada had to chase me. I better be seeing a medkit. Oh, my back hurts. Yes! Mo and Yara. I'm gonna try distracting as Yara for the first time in forever. Smoke bomb and... They really want me to stay. Are those the only two? Could grab everything I need for this journey of distracting. Extraction candy? No, I don't need it. Cosmo. No! Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. I really hope you like this video. And so, yeah. Anyways, bye-bye. Have a nice 4th of July. And have a nice night or day.